Hi y'all! Today we are going to be baking a beautiful dessert. We are doing an apple plum crumble. For this we got apples, plums, brown sugar, an egg, butter, flour, cinnamon, sugar, and baking powder. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with our plums and our apples. You can do this with peel or no peel, up to you. We're going to go ahead and start slicing them. And now we're going to do about 4 plums. And then we're going to start doing our apples. And it's going to be just about 3 apples. Then we're just going to go ahead, I put all mine right into my cooking dish, and I'm going to go ahead, give those a quick toss. Then we're going to take 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to take a teaspoon of cinnamon, take 2 tablespoons of flour. Then we're going to go ahead, with our hands, just give this a good toss, get everything equally coated. Then we're going to take and slice up 4 tablespoons of butter. Y'all, in a small mixing bowl, I'm going to take a cup of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon. We got 1/2 cup of melted butter, got 1 egg beaten. I'm going to go ahead and give this a really good mix. Once we have a really good mixture, and go ahead and grab a... I'm going to spread this out over the top. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes until it's done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, there we have it, a plum and apple crumble. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.